In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export separate layers in BandLab. By the end, you'll know how to grab clean individual audio files for each part of your project, perfect for mixing, collaboration, or sending stems to another producer. First, open your browser and go to BandLab's website. On the homepage, click Log In. In this example, we'll sign in with Google, so choose the Google option, select your Google account, and confirm by clicking Continue. If you prefer another sign-in method, that's fine too. The goal is simply to get you into your BandLab account. Once you're in, head to your library. This is where all your projects live. If you don't see it right away, look near the top navigation or the side menu on the feed. In your library, click the track or project you want to export from. Make sure you're picking the correct version if you have multiple revisions, so you export the right parts. On the track page, click Studio to open the project editor. Give it a moment to load all your tracks and effects. Inside Studio, find the specific track or layer that you want to export. In BandLab, each instrument, vocal, or sound source typically appears as its own layer on the left panel and timeline. Click the layer to select it. A quick tip, play a short section to confirm you've got the right one. You can also rename layers beforehand to keep things organized. With the layer selected, look to the left side panel, next to the layer's name. Click the three dots menu. This opens a set of actions just for that layer, which is exactly what we want for clean, isolated exports. From that menu, choose Export as Audio. BandLab will render only the selected layer and prepare a download. Depending on your project and internet speed, this might take a moment. If you see format options, pick the one that suits your needs. WAV is usually best for highest quality, while MP3 is smaller for quick sharing. Once the file is ready, it will download to your default downloads folder. If nothing downloads, check your browser's pop-up settings or try again. Repeat this process for each layer you need. Select the layer, open the three dots menu, and export as audio. Keep your files organized by naming them clearly so they're easy to identify in your mix session. And that's it. You've successfully exported separate layers from BandLab for professional, STEM-based workflows.